Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and today I'm going to be making a cheesecake. Basically, this is me editing the video. My intro was really bad, so I'm redoing it because my intros always end up being really weird and awkward, and I have no idea why. I just can't do intros. So yeah, on with the video. Oh hey, didn't see you there. So today I'm making a cheesecake. I'm trying to get out the lumps, but there's just so many. Did I just lick my phone? Am I okay? My arm. I guess that's good enough. So I have a parchment paper on the bottom. This part comes out. I got this for Christmas from my grandma. This is just like, these lumps aren't coming out. Next, I'm gonna pour this in. And I'm doing this in the Instant Pot because it's pretty cool. I'll just link the video that has the recipe that I'm using down below. It's Instant Pot cheesecake. This time I'm not using a crust because, yeah, I'm just gonna try something new without a crust. You put it on this thing and you put it in the Instant Pot for 28 minutes on high pressure with keep warm off. Okay, ready? You just plop it in there. Oh wait, no. Sorry, first you put a cup of water in there. You put it in like that. Now, wait. How do you turn this on? I had to call my mom to figure it out, but I didn't. Anyways, now we wait for like 28 minutes. No, we wait. We're gonna make the topping. The topping is half a cup of sour cream. Okay. Okay, sorry. 2 tablespoons of sugar or your substitute. You just whisk that together, boys, and you have your topping. Hi. Look how smooth that is. I'm gonna show you the topping, but I just like dropped my phone. Okay, time out while I clean this crap off my phone. There we go. Nice and smooth. That's the topping. Okay. Let's not talk about that. I tried to use this like whisk thing where you go like this, but it was too clunky, you know? Now I'm shooting cheesecake batter. So yeah, now we wait 24 minutes. We let it sit for 10 minutes and then we can put the icing on. Yeah. Then we'll see what happens. Ready? It's been 10 minutes of letting it just sit in the pot. Okay, so now you take a paper towel and you just blot out the water. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh.
What?
Pause. Or even cheesecake.
So once you finish dabbing out the water with the paper towel, you take your icing and you just slap it on there. And then you spread it out like this so it covers everything. Okay, so now you put the cheesecake in the freezer for 4 hours at the least. Best is like overnight. So yeah. Anyways, see you later when it's done. I don't think I started enough because like the whisk was kind of small, but it's